Timetables, your path to productivity. A well-structured timetable is not just a tool, it's a roadmap to achieving your goals and dreams. A well-organized timetable is essential. It acts as a guide, helping you navigate through your daily tasks and long-term projects with ease. It helps you manage your time efficiently. By allocating specific time slots for each task, you ensure that nothing important is overlooked. You can achieve more with a clear plan. A well-thought-out timetable allows you to prioritize tasks, ensuring that you focus on what truly matters. Timetables reduce stress by providing structure. Imagine a conductor leading an orchestra with precision and energy. The conductor leads an orchestra, ensuring that every musician plays their part in harmony. Without a conductor, there is chaos. Similarly, without a timetable, your day can become disorganized and overwhelming. A timetable is like a conductor for your life. It brings order and direction, guiding you through your daily activities. Timetables bring order to chaos. They help you create a structured environment where you can thrive. They provide a roadmap for your day, outlining the path you need to take to reach your goals. This allows you to focus on what matters. With a clear plan in place, you can dedicate your energy to tasks that are truly important. A well-structured timetable is a key to success. It empowers you to take control of your time and achieve your aspirations. Google Sheets, a timetable foundation. Google Sheets is a free tool. It is readily available online. The platform is user-friendly and intuitive. This makes it perfect for creating a timetable. Open a new Google Sheet. Label the columns with the days of the week. In the rows, list time slots. Use 30-minute or 1-hour intervals. You now have a basic timetable structure. You can easily input your tasks. Color code different activities for clarity. Google Sheets provides a flexible canvas. GPT, your AI timetable assistant. Imagine having a personal assistant that never sleeps, always ready to help you organize your day. GPT is an AI tool. It's designed to understand and generate human-like text, making it incredibly versatile and user-friendly. It can generate human-like text. This means it can understand your needs and provide responses that feel natural and intuitive. GPT can assist in creating timetable data. Whether you're a student, a professional, or managing a household, it can help you plan your day efficiently. This saves you time and effort. Instead of spending hours manually creating a schedule, you can have one generated in minutes. Go to a GPT platform. Input a prompt. It's as simple as typing out what you need. For example, create a daily timetable for a student. Provide specific details. The more detailed your prompt, the better the output. Include your classes, study time, and preferred break times. This ensures the timetable fits your unique needs and preferences. GPT will generate a timetable suggestion. It takes into account all the details you've provided to create a personalized schedule. It will consider your input. This means you get a timetable that's tailored to your requirements. This draft can be easily modified. You can tweak it as needed to better fit your day. GPT helps you get started quickly. With just a few clicks, you can have a well-organized timetable, giving you more time to focus on what really matters. GPT to Google Sheets, a seamless flow. GPT provides the timetable content. Now transfer this to Google Sheets. Copy the text from the GPT output. Paste it into your Google Sheet timetable. Ensure the data aligns with the correct time slots. Make any necessary adjustments. You can easily edit the content within Google Sheets. Your timetable is now populated with GPT-generated content. This combination of AI and spreadsheets streamlines the process. You can focus on optimization. Section 5. Customization. Making your timetable shine. A visually appealing timetable is more effective. Customize your Google Sheet for better visual clarity. Use colors to differentiate task categories. For example, use green for study time. Choose blue for work tasks. Highlight important deadlines in red. Experiment with different font sizes. Clear visuals make your timetable easier to follow. This enhances your productivity. A visually appealing timetable is more likely to be used regularly. Section 6. Practical use, your timetable in action. This section will guide you on how to effectively implement your timetable in your daily routine. A timetable is only effective if used consistently. It's not just about creating a plan, but also about sticking to it. Make it a habit to review your timetable daily. Tick off completed tasks. This daily review helps you stay on track and ensures that nothing slips through the cracks. This gives a sense of accomplishment. Each tick mark is a small victory, motivating you to keep going. Be flexible and adjust your timetable as needed. Unexpected events happen, life is unpredictable, and your timetable should be adaptable to accommodate these changes. Don't be afraid to reschedule. Moving tasks around is not a failure, it's a strategic adjustment to ensure you stay productive. Stick to the overall structure as much as possible. While flexibility is important, maintaining a consistent framework helps in achieving long-term goals. Reflect on your timetable's effectiveness. Regularly assess if your timetable is helping you meet your objectives. Are you sticking to it? Consistency is key. Evaluate if you are following your plan. Are you achieving your goals? Your timetable should be a tool that helps you reach your milestones. Make necessary adjustments for continuous improvement. Your timetable is a living document that evolves with your needs and goals. Section 7. Beyond GPT, exploring other AI tools. There are other AI tools for timetable management. Explore options like Trello, Asana, or Notion. These tools offer various features beyond timetable creation. Trello utilizes a card-based system for task management. Asana provides a collaborative platform for teams. Notion offers a comprehensive workspace encompassing notes, tasks, and wikis. Research and experiment with different tools. Find what works best for your needs and preferences. AI is constantly evolving, offering innovative solutions. Section 8. Troubleshooting your timetable. Creating a timetable is an iterative process. You might encounter challenges along the way. Don't get discouraged. Here are some tips for troubleshooting. If you're feeling overwhelmed, break down tasks into smaller steps. Prioritize tasks based on importance and urgency. Don't be afraid to delegate tasks if possible. Remember, a timetable is a tool to assist you. It should reduce stress, not add to it. Be kind to yourself and focus on progress, not perfection. Section 9. Embrace the power of organization. A well-crafted timetable is a powerful tool. It can transform your productivity and reduce stress. Embrace the power of organization in your daily life. Utilize the combination of Google Sheets and AI. Leverage tools like GPT to streamline the process. Customize your timetable to make it visually appealing. Remember, consistency is key. Make it a habit to use and adjust your timetable regularly. Embrace the journey towards a more organized and productive you.